It's cold. A bone-chilling cold. The smell of disinfectant is gone. It's the stale, rotten smell of rust. A deep ache throbs in my thighs. 7 years, my world has shrunk to this single bed. My legs should be lifeless, numb logs. Move. Move, damn it. They moved. They really moved. A little further. This chill, it's like electrotherapy. I'm healed. This isn't a dream. The incurable disease is gone. I'm alive. Truly alive.
Welcome to the weird world. Player identity confirmed. Suji.
What the hell is this?
Warning, fatal deviation detected in instance selection. You have been drawn into an S-class, extremely lethal instance. Lone world.
The heavens can't wait to kick me into the abyss.
Survival probability, 0.01%. A hopeless, certain death.
If I draw a combat talent, I can survive.
Awakening player's initial talent. Ding. Talent awakened successfully. Acquired C-class lifestyle talent, vending machine.
A lousy C-class talent. Calm down. Sujay, get a grip. Panic won't solve anything. Crying will only attract slaughter. Check the surroundings. The windows have turned to concrete. Everything has changed. A complete, sealed room. Wankai? An absolutely, extremely dangerous zone. That's Mom's handwriting. Signed, Shenmue. The security door is absolutely safe. Do not open it. Upon hearing 3 knocks, open the door immediately. It's full of deadly contradictions. These 2 statements contradict each other. One must be true, the other false. How could a note predict my talent? It's 15 minutes to midnight. Only 15 minutes left. I must feed it meat. But where would I get meat at home? Ah, no weapons. No way out.
Xiaozha. Open the door. I forgot my keys.
Can't open the door. Must not make a sound. The security door won't last the night. Waiting to die isn't my style. 40404. Synonymous with a dead end. Rule 2. There is no dog in the house. If you see it, cover it with a black cloth. 2 incomplete notes. Piece together into a perfect death loop. Black and white logic is a death sentence. Both notes could be fake. They might not even be describing the same thing. Out of time. 11:52. Rule 5 clearly warns. We've never had a vending machine at home. Won't let me use it. I'm gonna use it anyway.
Ding. Player blood payment detected. Randomly selecting a product for you. Selection successful.
Quality, conceptual, absolute isolation. Outside, it's by smell. Inside, it's by sight. If combined with the black cloth from the rules. $11.58. The doghouse. It's empty. Rule 4. Do not look directly into its eyes. The blood note says there's no dog. The slip says you must feed it meat. This is cognitive contamination. Must not acknowledge it's a monster. Starving. What are you standing around for? Stop with the theatrics. Get over here and eat. Screw feeding meat. Right here. My daily life is the rule. Why did the power suddenly go out? The absolutely fair power group. Power cut penalty. The safe zone has been completely torn apart. Anger won't save your life. We must find and combine rule items.
Ah.
He was instantly killed in the first encounter. Trying to chew my leg off? Absolutely not.
Concept level leak-proof attribute. Too many restrictions.
Don't think you can devour me so easily. Huh.
Su, are you in there? It's me, your neighbor, Old Wang. Aunt Zhao made some stew. Open up. Su, why aren't you opening the door? Old Wang knows you're in there. Old Wang can smell your blood.
Want to eat me? Let's see if you have the teeth for it. Draw. Av.
Su, Old Wang's coming in.
No need for you to come in. Bite. Bite as hard as you can. Ha ha ha.
Hey, Sue. They're fighting so fiercely. Miss Zhao is still the one who cares for you. Come over here. The broth's getting cold.
Fresh meat. Not eating anymore? "6 a.m. Only 2 hours have passed in the outside world. I'm the one who's wrong. A well-known paradox. The flow of time has been tampered with. Don't drink it. "5 days until the return, which means I have to endure 180 days here. 180 days. I'll waste away here. The accelerated time is speeding up the contamination. There must be an anchor point. It's too obvious. It's bait. Wait. Found it. Just destroy it. Weightlessness. This power. The sound vanished.
Who am I?
cannot be looked at directly. Nothing at all. If you're just a derivative monster, just a prisoner of rules. But you're not. You're a chess player from a higher dimension. You can ignore the laws. So, since you're a high-level entity, then your presence here is a bug. The Bureau's fundamental logic is equivalent exchange. It's fairness. And you? Forced your way in. Attempted to erase me. Do you dare? You're just a pawn, crushed by the rules, a pathetic worm who cheated his way to power. There's no equal exchange. You have no right to interfere with the trial. So, you're just a spectator. Victory. How do I break out of this trance? Status check. Delving deeper. Forced intervention. Critical injury. Triggering the jump.
Warning. Player has sustained critical damage. Mobility reduced by over 50%. Core protocols engaging. Status assessment in progress.
We won. He he he. Extreme danger. Must attack.
Warning cleared. Aberration status purged. Lone chamber cleared. Hidden achievement unlocked. Final settlement rating, SSS rank. Player has been transported to the sanctuary. Identity registered. Newcomer blind box opened.
Are you an imposter? Where's the chip? Speak, or I'll melt your ecosystem.
If I were an imposter, I wouldn't bring this.
What kind of anti-detection equipment is this?
High-dimensional wave field, cloud-chasing individual equipment.
Comrade, I'm Lu Yuan. 3 years. Finally waited for the organization to contact me.
The organization sent me for an important mission.
Tell me. I wouldn't even blink at blowing up a server.
Have you heard of the true stars?
Shh.
What stars are there? The sky is bleeding.
The sky is leaking. The nutrient solution is about to wash the culture bottles.
Shut your foul mouth, crazy. Relax, rookie. That's drool. Drool. Saliva from a high-risk entity. Think you're safe now. Outside is full of monsters. That's toad drool. The Anomaly Management Bureau doesn't care. They do. Think you're a big shot now. We're not players at all. We're pawns. We're livestock.
Block the frequency.
Speak clearly. This is a slaughterhouse. To provide emotional value. See for yourself. Cleared the contamination. Can't avoid this. This is a brand. What is this? Mutation countdown. Every livestock gets branded. If it crawls into your heart, you turn into a monster. Get thrown into the trash heap. If you want to live, you can only enter dangerous dungeons to exchange for points. Accept your fate. On this chessboard, we don't even have the right to kill ourselves. Poke a hole in the sky. Red alert. How could the outer ring trigger forced recruitment? The game has just begun.
Warning: higher dimensional observers have intervened, triggering forced recruitment. Blood Train Level A multidimensional instance.
Get out. This corner is mine. Ah, my hand. Monster. A monster. Ah.
Forced conscription. 30 seconds remaining. Unteamed individuals will undergo random higher dimensional deployment.
Random deployment means death. Must bind to a known variable. You. Who are you really? If you want to live, team up with me.
20 seconds remaining.
Take me with you. Signals connected. Ha ha ha.
A madman who defies logic. Sometimes, they're more useful than normal people.
Countdown. 10 seconds.
Alright, old man. I'm putting my life in your hands.
Ha ha ha. The aliens are coming to get us.
Team confirmed. Forced conscription initiated.
We're taking off. We're taking off. Ha ha ha.
An A-rank dungeon. Bring it on.
Transmission complete. Destination: the third asylum.
Open it. This is the legendary gold. No capacity limit. Ignores conservation of mass. This is a subspace flask. This is enough to subvert the underlying logic. The ultimate strategic resource. Who?
That's not something a rookie should possess. What are you hiding?
None of your business. Third mental institution. I'm here.
Sir, we've entered the enemy's Black River zone.
Shut up. The hunter's also lurking.
Ah. Starting off in a dead-end situation. No time to adjust. No physical space to accommodate it. Completely sealed off on the physical level. Patient in bed 1 is agitated. Requires sedation injection. Heart rate stabilized. Agitation resolved. Cancel sedation.
That's ruthless, even more crazy than me. Going to the alien supply depot to stock up, ha 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 ha.
Back.
Mealtime. Who said you could come empty-handed?
Well.
Hey, this alien's invisibility cloak is crap. It's even fading. This defective product could get you sued in interstellar court.
5 minutes. You must eat every piece of meat on your plate. Not even a drop of blood is allowed. Violators will become tomorrow's ingredients.
Done eating. Clear the plates.
You're messing with me?
Come on then.
Die. Ah. My hand.
Ag.
Warning, illegal containment detected.
Shut up. This is my trophy. Found it. The key to clearing this. Finally found you.
Die.
Please remain quiet during treatment. Shut up. Avoidance is useless, sujet. Your mental state is very unhealthy. You're afraid. Afraid of becoming that again. Waste who can only lie in bed. Looking for a weakness.
Xiaozhe. I'm so tired. You must be exhausted too. Right? Drink this. Drink this, and you'll be free. We'll both be free. As long as you're breathing. I'd sell my soul. I'll keep you alive. We Sioux never give up, even if it kills us.
The face is identical, even the calluses are exactly the same. But that unyielding spirit, it's not the same.
Patients who disobey must be forced to take their medication.
Ugh. Die. Delusion.
Extreme and dangerous resistance.
Your illusion is too cheap.
Unforgivable. Die. You won't escape my domain. You're insane.
Rules are meant to be broken. This is the power of higher dimensions. Ah.
High-level anomaly detected. The skinning doctor's vital signs have ceased.
This is the end.
Congratulations, player Caesar, for completing an SSS-level cross-tier kill. Welcome to the settlement transit station. Player Caesar is processing your instant settlement. Warning, unknown high-risk contamination source detected. Heresy adjudication protocol activated. Prepare for eradication. Target anomaly fluctuations have ceased. Heresy adjudication protocol terminated. Resuming standard settlement procedures.
Ugh.
Ha ha ha. Suja.
Player Suzy J, an affiliated team, successfully eliminated the core anomaly. Clearance rating, S+. Explorer Suja. Please proceed immediately to the administration's special office.
Suja, don't go. That place is a death trap. Even your soul will be erased.
Let go. A heretic can't also be a perfect clearance player. Unless. This isn't an execution ground at all.